Good morning, everyone. Today I want to go over the mid-module assessment so we can review it and make sure you know where you might have gone wrong if you got some problems wrong. So number one, Hank emptied his pockets and found these coins. How much money does Hank have? Write the answer using the dollar or cent symbol. Okay, so they said he has 1/4. They started with the biggest coin and they wrote the 25 cents. And then they went to the next biggest, which is the dime, and he has 1, 2, 3, 4, and we know 4 tens is 40. He has 2 nickels equals 10 cents plus 1, 2, 3 pennies. So they have all the values written out here, and then when they add it up, they get 78 cents. And you'll see that Hank has 78 cents as written out as a complete sentence. Part B, Hank gave his brother Luke 1/4 and some more coins. Now Luke has 57 cents. Draw and label one possible picture of Luke's coins. Okay, so the way I would have solved this, and I think most students would have solved it, would be he has 57 cents, and we take away that 1/4. Or you could have done it with a picture, which would also have worked. Okay, and when you do this subtraction problem, you're going to get 32 cents. Okay, and then you could draw out 32 cents however you like. They used a 1/4, dime, they used 3 dimes and 2 pennies because this is the original 25 cents. So 3 dimes and 2 pennies would be 32 cents. You could have used a 1/4, a nickel, and 2 pennies, but whatever adds up to 32 cents. Part C, Hank's sister Maria found a $1 bill under her bed and used it to buy an iced tea for 45 cents. How much change will Maria get back? Okay, so they did 45 cents plus blank equals $1. I would have done, if we know $1 equals 100 cents, right? So we have 100 cents, and we subtract how much the iced tea cost, which was 45 cents. And our answer, we would have to borrow a few times because we have more on the floor. And our answer would have been 55. And then you answer in a complete sentence. Maria will get 55 cents back for her change. 2, Karen has 1 $20 bill, 2 $10 bills, 4 $5 bills, and 8 $1 bills. How much money does Karen have? So you'll see here they just added them up. 1 $20 bill, 2 $10 bills, 4 $5 bills, and 8 ones. And the answer, Karen has $68. Karen buys a book for $12 and a fruit smoothie for $4. Karen gives the cashier the $20 bill. How much change will she receive? Okay, so she bought a book for $12 and a fruit smoothie for $4. So total, she spent $16. And then she had the 20. 20 take away the 16 equals 4. Karen will receive $4. 3, now we're getting into the graphs. Okay, their title is Fruits in Alex's Basket. We have oranges, lemons, bananas, and pears, and their legend, each circle equals 1 piece of fruit. Okay, so they drew those with that oranges 2, lemons 5, bananas 3, pears 4. And then a bar graph, same thing. The numbers go across the bottom. They have their title, oranges, lemons, bananas, and pears, and they colored in their bars nice and neat and thick. How many pieces of fruit did Alex buy in all? So they added the 2, 3, 5, and 4, and their answer was 14. Alex buys 14 pieces of fruit. How many more lemons and pears does Alex have than oranges and bananas? So lemons and pears is 5 plus 4 equals 9. Oranges and bananas, 2 plus 3 equals 5. 9 take away 5 equals 4. Alex has 4 more lemons and pears. Denise found 4 nickels in the car, 32 cents in her room, and 21 pennies and 1/4 in her desk drawer. How much money did she find in all? Okay, so 4 nickels would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So that's the 20. So there's our 4 nickels, plus 32 cents in her room, plus 21 pennies, plus 1/4. Okay, when you add up all of those, they added them like this first to make it a little quicker for them, but however you like to add it, and you get 98 cents. Denise finds 98 cents. And then B, Denise spent 42 cents on 1 banana and lost 19 cents. how much money did Denise have left? Okay, so she spent 42 and lost 19. So first I'm going to add these together to see how much total change she got rid of. So 2 plus 9 is 11. Bring our 1 up top. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Okay, and then she had 98 cents. Take away 61 cents. 8 take away 1 is 7. 9 take away 6 is 3. Denise has 37 cents left. Okay, so there's a look at the mid-module assessment with all the correct answers. If you can take today to go over it, fix any of the ones that you might have gotten wrong. If you have any questions, please reach out and I'd be happy to help. Thanks.